All right, today we're installing Oracle flush mount taillights on a 19 to 23 GMC Sierra, and the install is a little bit different, so we'll walk you through everything that you need to know. Well, let's get started. In order to disconnect the taillight, we're going to need to get under the vehicle. So step one, underneath the bed of the truck, we're going to locate this plug, this clip. We're going to undo the plug. There's a red tab that has to be pulled back. Using a pick tool, we'll get in here, release that clip, unroute the wiring harness, and if you follow this harness, you'll find another clip that needs to be undone. Do the same thing. Using the pick tool, release the clip, and we'll go up to the top, undo the tail light, and pull this harness through that hole. So using a T15 torque screw, we're going to remove these two bolts. And then we're going to pull the light. All right, so we can pull this harness out that we were down there earlier with. Pull that out, drape it over, locate this plug in here. There's a red locking tab that needs to be pulled out. Depress it, give it some wiggles, and pull it out. All right, so we're ready to install the taillight, and before we do that, we need to install the resistor onto the included bracket, which is very easy. So next, we're going to take our resistor and our resistor mounting bracket. We're going to line up our holes, one there, one there. We're going to install our mounting hardware. It's tiny, so it's not easy. Now that that's done, we'll take our clips, and these are going to attach to the body. So I want one here and one here. Should look something like that. All right, so now we have our resistor disconnected. We're going to install it along the body right here. So all you got to do is line these clips up and push it in. Boom. All right, we'll take our tail light. We will route the body connector down through the same hole we fished it out of. We'll take our resistor plug, make sure tabs are lined up, connect that, take the body light connector, make sure that's seated. Press the red locking tab in. And now we're ready to mount our tail light. So now we'll take our tail light, we'll locate the indexing pins and the indexing bushings. Line those up. Give it a firm push. Locate our other indexing pins. Push it over into the holes. And that's it. All right, so now we're going to take our T15 torque screws and reinsert them. So now we're going to reclip this harness into these body clips. Now that we got that clipped, we're going to take our harness, we're going to route it back to the other side, following the factory wiring. Get that slack out. And reclip. And plug it in. All right, so that's the install, and as you saw, there's a few more extra steps, but if you follow the video closely, you'll be okay. For more information on these or any other great products, visit oraclelights.com.